Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do a reveal of our January monthly subscriptions. I have the 2 sticker kits here and then the stationery sub back here in the black bag. I just shipped out the subs within the past 2 days, so if you're watching this video and you haven't received your sub yet and you want to be surprised, I'll be sure to warn you as always before I open the stationery sub, because that's where like the mystery item is. But first I'll start off with the sticker kits. So I have 2 sticker kits here. One is the full kit, one is the mini kit. I'll open up the full kit. And even though this is the January subscription, it has the March sticker kit because we're at the end of January and we always release the sticker kits 1 month ahead of time. So this is the freebie add-on. It's themed along with the month, so this is a spring theme. I really love these girls here with the lighter skin tone, the darker skin tone. It's just total spring vibes. And then a spring bucket list here. So farmer's market, bike ride, plant herbs, buy flowers, picnic, and brunch. Thought that was super cute. And then here's the kit. This is sheet A. Sheet A always has a hand lettered sticker here that says the month, some deco icons here, circle icons here, and these are all the same except for these 2 change from month to month. This one has something for St. Patrick's Day and something for like the first day of spring. Then some headers here and then 2 strips of washi here. So that's sheet A. And then sheet B is your full boxes. So you have 8 full boxes. I always like to mention that my full boxes are more narrow than the standard. The standard is 1.5 inches wide. Mine are 1.25 inches wide. And then there's a small piece of washi there. These boxes have this pretty floral background, but I leave it empty so you can use it to write things in, write lists or reminders, or just layer other stickers in there. So that's sheet B. Sheet C is your quarter boxes, half boxes, habit trackers, and list boxes. These have 7 little boxes inside, so you could use it as a traditional checklist, or you can put like M for Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Sunday through Saturday, whichever you like. This is in white, gray, light pink, and the floral background. So that's sheet C. And then sheet D are these like little things, and so it has some bows for like reminders, calendars, envelopes, TVs, some more icons here, some headers. So the way I format this is 1 column per week and 4 weeks in a month. So this sheet can last you a whole month. And then another strip of washi there. So that's sheet D. And that's what you get in the full sticker kit sub or the full kit combo. And then if you do the mini sticker kit sub, it's basically the same thing except less sheets. So you get that add-on freebie just like in the full sticker kit. You get the sheet A with all the deco icons and circle icons, but then you get just a 3rd sheet E. And then this is just a combination of the other sheets, which has full boxes, some flags, quarter boxes, and half boxes. So for the mini sticker kit, you get these 3 sticker sheets. So now I'll go ahead and show you guys the stationery sub. Okay, so let's open this up. So here's basically what you get each month. You get some vellum, you get some stickers, a planner card, and a mystery item. So let me go with the vellum first. So you get 2 sheets of vellum, and no matter what planner size you have, this just comes in one size. It's 6 inches wide by 8.5 inches tall. So customers just trim it down to their planner size. And if you have a smaller planner, you could even get 2 like pieces of vellum from this one bigger piece. So the first one is this like gemstones. It's really pretty. It's on thick vellum paper, just like a frosted white with black lines. Super simple, but really pretty. And then there's this heart one. This is on pale pink background with some like geometric shaped kind of hearts. And then this goes along with my planner card. So for February, even though it's like Valentine's Day and everyone's doing the Valentine's Day thing, I'm very conscious to do things that's a little bit more general for those of us who are not in a relationship or just don't really care to celebrate Valentine's Day. I do make it a little bit love themed, like with the hearts, but I like to make it general love, like love, romantic love, love for family, love for friends, love for neighbor, and love for self. So this has a lot to do with, so the like gemstones, I'm not really heavy into like crystals and stuff like that, but I know people that are into it talk a lot about the energy they give and stuff like that. And I thought this went really well with this planner card, protect your energy, as well as this vellum, because the hearts is like protect your heart, protect yourself, protect your energy. So I really like the whole vibe of these together. So then in the sub you also get 4 sticker sheets. The first one are these photo boxes, which I called But First Love. So going along with that love theme, I put a sticker here that said good vibes only, so that's kind of like love for neighbor, love for the world. And then this one is just like a coffee date with a friend, with a partner or whatever. So love of friends, loved ones, family. This one here is like coffee, a book, a magazine. So this is kind of like self-care, so love for yourself. And then this one here has like a little cami here and just a little fashion thing in the background. So I thought that would be good for either romantic love or like girls' night out or something like that. And all of these, I don't know if you see here, all of these have the background of like an Instax Polaroid photo, those mini Polaroids, which I thought looked really cute. So you get 4 of those. And then I included some hand letterings, and these are just all the holidays, the same holidays that are on the holidays icon sheet. It's on clear paper. And then this one I'm super excited about. So this is our transparent dots, but with symbols printed on them. So they're the same size as our transparent dots, and these would go so well. I brought my planner with me so I can show you guys. These would go so well like on a monthly calendar like this, or any kind of you know, smaller monthly spread. And so you have a whole bunch of symbols here. I was thinking like even for habit tracking, if you did well on your habit tracking, you could do a check mark. If you didn't do so well, you could have X. Or if you wanted to circle a certain date on your calendar, this could be used for like a day off, or a no spend, even if you want to track your no spend. This is a star, like if you want to give yourself a star or highlight a date, and then a heart for like loved ones. But I just wanted to show you guys how they look on the calendar. They're so cute and they fit so nicely there. So I don't know, I was super excited about these. I hope you guys like them too. I gave them to you guys in a gray and a pink, and I can offer the other staple colors that we have in our shop, like the nude and the like brown tones and stuff like that. And then the other sticker sheet, I'll leave my planner out so you can see this. So these are corners. This was a request from a customer to do transparent corners. So I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with these, but if not, I'll go ahead and show you. So it looks like a square, but it's actually 2 triangles or 2 corners. So if you wanted to highlight a date on your calendar, then you just put it in, let me put it over here where there's less stickers. Just put it in the corner like that, and it highlights the date. And again, I gave it to you in gray and pink. I can offer them in all the other colors we carry in the shop as well. And then lastly, the mystery item is this notepad. So this is on our thick 32-pound paper, white, and this pad comes with 50 sheets. The size is 4 by 6, and it has my hand lettering up here, and it's just a today notepad. So for me, I know that some days what I really use is the daily, let me show you guys the daily inserts that I have in my shop. I do use those regularly, like almost every day. So like this, but sometimes I don't need all this, or sometimes I'm in a super big rush, or like on a Saturday and Sunday, I just need something a little bit more simple. So I thought about making this kind of notepad. So it just has a spot for date, for schedule, for to-do list, and for notes at the bottom. I also thought for those of you who don't use daily inserts and you use like a weekly, but maybe you have a particularly busy day, or maybe you need to bring your list with you out to an errand and you don't want to bring your whole planner, this might come in handy. So hopefully you guys like it and find it super useful. I thought it was really pretty. So yeah, that's it. That's everything that came in the January subscriptions. Anything that's overstock will be available to everybody in the main shop on the first Friday of February. I forget what date that is, but the first Friday of February. These notepads are actually sold out, so it won't be coming to the main shop right now, but leave me a comment or a DM on Instagram and let me know if you really want this notepad. I can do a reorder and bring it to the shop. Otherwise, all the other items will be available. I do have extras of them. They'll be in the shop on the first Friday of February. Also, I wanted to mention that monthly subscriptions are closed right now, but February spots will open on February 1st, which is a Monday, I believe. So if you want to sign up, then go visit the website on February 1st and you can sign up for our February subscriptions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.